In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add that email button on your Instagram profile page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. So guys, first of all, we need to switch our Instagram profile to a professional profile. As you can see, I got that professional dashboard here, which means that my profile is now professional. However, let me show you from the beginning what you should do if you got personal Instagram profile. I'm just gonna quickly switch it back to personal, and then all we have to do is just tap at these three lines, then settings and privacy, scroll down until you find account type and tools, then switch to professional account, then just hit 4 times at continue, and then done. After a couple of seconds, your account will be switched to a professional account and we can continue. So guys, all we have to do in order to add email button right here is just go to edit profile. Then we need to scroll down, and first of all we need to get into contact options. That's where we need to add our email in business email text field. Then, to save the changes, tap at Save. After that, we need to go to profile display and then just make sure the option which is called display contact info turned on. If it is turned off, it won't show you contacts button, email button on your page. However, if you turn it on, it will. So if we go to our profile, we can see now that email button. So guys, that's how you can easily add your Gmail in Instagram.